This is so amazing. There's more back here than I would have ever thought, you know? Someone needs to wash these poor cars. So you guys, yeah. So once they sell, they're redone through and through. Wow. So who's buying these older ones? I mean, is there? Uh huh. Wow. Look at this. The graveyard of funeral limos. I am the only one bringing you stuff like this. Wow. No, I see a lot of like cat paw prints on every car. There's obviously a lot of stray kitties. I see the little footprints everywhere. Now see this Lincoln here, I'd be interested in that one. That is like a silver one.
This one right here?
Yeah, I'd be interested in that one because that's the body style that I have. That one I would actually personally be interested in. I'd be curious how much you guys would love, you know, as is obviously. I wouldn't
even have a ballpark. I don't even know.
I'd be curious to find out. I didn't know that. I would have never. I thought these were like parts cars, you know. I figured like, well, you got old limos, whatever, parts cars. I had no idea these were all going to be reconditioned if sold.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything. Every once in a while.
And this one, the flower car, I'd be interested in this one too because these are hard to find. Or that's not a flower car, is it? No, that's a Hearse. It is.
Yes.
I've never seen one like that before. Wow. That is so cool. Well, see, now I got a shopping list. Now I see 2 cars that I want. I shouldn't have come here. This is entrapment.
Our sister company is in Ohio. It's the SNS Superior.
Okay.
That's why we get a lot of SNS Superior. Well, better ones.
So is this also new production then, this building? Or
Yes, this is where
okay.
we store the new ones.
You store the new ones there, gotcha, okay.
Which is why I'm surprised this broken.
Well, yeah, that's,
I ordered these ones. I didn't spend much big on them.
wow. Oh, that's a big one. And these two, I'd be interested in these two. These 2 Lincolns here, I'd be interested in one of those as well. I'm gonna have to have one of your sales guys call me because I'm definitely interested in some of these.